Samsung is planning to launch the S23 Ultra early this time, as the Korean media is reporting that the Unpacked will be pre-pawned by a couple of weeks, so we are likely looking at a late January launch event. The upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra smashes through online benchmark, and S23 Ultra HP2 sensor optimizations could elevate Samsung micrography to new levels. Unsurprisingly, the Galaxy S23 Ultra appears to be powered by the same chipset, and benchmark performance is on par with what was discovered a few days ago. The Galaxy S23 Ultra for the USA SMS 918U and the recent benchmarks has the same characteristics as the SMS 911U variant, including 8 GB of RAM and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. And we're almost sure that there will be a 12GB version of the S23 Ultra, just like we have a 12GB version of the S22 Ultra. In fact, we might even get 16GB of RAM in certain S23 models. And more RAM just means these benchmark scores are going to be even slightly higher. Featuring a high-performance CPU core clock at 3.36 GHz, 3 CPU cores operating at 2.02 GHz and 4 2.8 GHz cores for a total of 8 CPU cores. And that the weight of the 2023 flagship would be 234 grams, which is 5 to 6 grams heavier than the S22 Ultra. Apparently, this weight gain is down to the wider metal frame that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will sport. It is believed that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will sport an ISO cell HP2 sensor that has been specially optimized to produce stellar night photography that could eclipse the S22 Ultra's nitrography capability. Ice Universe has been dropping Galaxy S23 Ultra shape leaks again, with focus appropriately being made on the camera equipment this time. It seems that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will offer better moonshots. The leaker specifically states that the night photography has been significantly improved. If you look at the back, we'll notice a minor change, which is a 3-time telephoto module now flushed with the body along with the laser autofocus. The regular Galaxy S23 is tipped for a redesign on the back, which returns the camera bump into 3 separate lenses that are more integrated with the design. But the Galaxy S22 Ultra already had that look, and it seems like not much is changing for the S23 Ultra. Not that we're complaining, you should expect an integrated S Pen once more for taking notes, drawing, and more. And we've seen one rumor that the S23 Ultra will be slightly longer and wider than the S22 Ultra, which could be to accommodate the rumored larger camera sensor. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.